Alright, so this is the first time Liz having the beignets. So here we go. So we got a strawberry sauce, we got a chocolate sauce, and they're all covered in powdered sugar, and they're both running over. It looks like she's going with the strawberry first, folks. Yeah? And now for the chocolate sauce. Worth $4? No? Oh, she don't like sweets either, but anyway, there you go.
Hello. Cute little eyes. Okay, so it is our first day
In Celebration Key.
Woohoo!
Cold.
So yesterday we got on, what time?
Pretty early. Well, we got there pretty early. We got on 11-ish, somewhere around there.
Yes.
Because I had a ton of back-to-backs on this one. And that held up the process, oddly enough. Because see the custom people come out, and then just a train of people going in, scan their face, turn around, get back on the boat.
Lots of back-to-backers because it was a Journeys cruise before that.
Now they're going on 7 days, so.
Yep.
They got some cruisers on here, for sure.
Yeah, but Embarkation Day was great. We met King Woof.
Yup.
She gave us some wonderful gifts, which we got right here.
We showed them on the live yesterday.
We showed them on our live, but we got some deer and some ducks and the comic book and bracelets, all cool things.
And she had her own T-shirt, which was pretty cool.
And she had her own T-shirt made with our logo. How cool is that?
Yep, made her own version of our logo.
That was awesome.
Yeah, no, it was a fun day. We walked around the ship extensively because we've never been on this boat before. If you haven't been on the Venezia, I recommend it.
It's definitely different.
The decor is different. It's very gold.
Gold.
Very Italian.
Dark.
Creepy ass pictures of people in masks everywhere. I mean, just, you're walking down the stairs and these things are 8 feet tall. I'm like, yo, no,
They are creepy.
I just kind of got to look at the floor and turn around. Just weird.
Anyway, so then we spent a lot of time in the casino, and I won and lost all our money.
Yes, she did. Was had a few too many drinks, and I was at the tables. I came back. I'm like, oh, you're broke. Great. So first day allocated money was allocated right to the slot machine. But, I mean, you kind of expect it. It took us a while to, we had a bottle of rum delivered, and it was actually open. So we called room service. Room service said call the front desk. Called the front desk. They said call room service. So we went down to the front desk, and they said call room service. I'm like, no, we're here. So they actually re-delivered that. We did, I guess this is something maybe that happens on Journeys cruises. They're out of a lot of liquors.
A lot of vodka, a lot of liquor.
Yep.
Out of limes.
Yeah, limes, lemons.
Yep.
It was weird. And the lady, the bartender, she's like, yeah, she goes, on the Journeys cruises, she goes, if people drink more than they're anticipating, she goes, we'll run out. She goes, it's all here. She goes, it's literally getting loaded in today, right now. She goes, but it takes a while to distribute it up. You know, so sure enough, later in the evening, all the bars were full again, and they didn't have limes.
They did not. I had to get vodka soda with cherry.
Well, that was just a casino, though.
Yeah.
So maybe they didn't distribute them to the casino bar.
It was fine.
Yeah.
And then today's Celebration Key, it is cold.
Cold. It's like 65, 70 degrees and windy.
Very windy.
I think it might be a bumpy ride heading down to Honduras. Yeah. So it's windy as hell.
Yeah, the water's very rough.
But
there are people in the water, but it's cold.
Yeah. But it was nice, actually, because we were here in July, 8 billion degrees. Sorry, my magnet keeps getting stuck to my mic. Let's take that off. Sweating our tostones off. And then we came in September and thunder and lightning.
Yep.
And today was cold and windy.
Our excursion we had booked, which was go-kart adventures, caves, pirates, and beaches, got canceled.
Yep, it was like a little three-wheeler go-kart. Kind of looks like those Razors, Rockets. I don't know, those little motorcycles you see everywhere with the three wheels. But it got canceled, so we're like, okay, now what? Now, some people said the casino was open during Celebration Key. Some people said it was not. Today,
it's not
it is not.
Not open.
Which is saving us money.
Saving us money.
But,
but we did get off. Yep. We went to the food hall. We got a rice bowl.
Not bad.
It was huge.
Yes,
by the way.
People you'll see the pictures that people like. Oh, where's the phone? They say the food portions are small.
I will pop it in here. You don't need to show it. Huh? I will pop it in here. You don't need to show it.
All right, fine.
Anyway, the food. It was a lot of food. Couldn't finish it, and a cookie. Couldn't finish it. Okay, you and your props.
See? It's huge. I mean, I ate like half of it, and I'm waddling my butt back up to the boat.
Yep.
So this evening, we may go to Il Villaggio. Maybe.
No, main dining room.
MDR. That's what I said. Il Villaggio dining room.
We have that later this week.
Yep. So they got some cool stuff in there tonight. They got like a herb crusted portobello mushroom.
Yeah.
I might get the beef Wellington, although it does come with Brussels sprouts, which I bleeping hate. But I don't know if I've ever had a beef Wellington.
Something else. Yeah. Anyway, we're probably going to go to the dining room.
Not Elegant Nights. First sea day, because we have 2 sea days now. So we're going all the way.
Oh, we have 2 sea days in a row?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So I'm here and then go all the way down to Roatan, then up to Cozumel, Honduras. Roatan. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Got our bottle. Yes. Oh, yeah, and Liz ordered a bottle to the room, too, which was Grey Goose, and they didn't have any Grey Goose, so it came late last night, midday. Like 7.
They had to wait till the ship was restocked.
Yeah.
But I got it.
And
I barely drank any of it.
they brought me my new bottle of rum today, so I haven't had any yet.
Yeah, it's early. I'm gonna wait.
It is. Liz napped earlier. I might partake.
I fell asleep on the couch for 15 minutes.
Also known as a nap.
Yes.
Last I checked. This is our first howl animal.
Isn't he cute?
Yep. I'm gonna go with she with the eyelashes.
Yes, it's a she.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see the eyes.
It's Swanee.
Wasn't that character in a movie?
I don't know.
Right.
I'm just calling her Swanee.
Found the duck. Oh no, we got ducked. Somebody left one
Oh, we
on our
got
door.
ducked?
Yep.
Yes. That was the and candy caned.
And candy cane, yes.
People are very generous on Christmas cruises.
Yeah, I mean, well, in this group, for the Facebook group we're in, one of the most active I've ever seen.
Mm-hmm.
And really cool people too.
Yep. We saw a lot of people who follow our channel.
Yeah, that was weird.
It's
It's
cool.
always weird.
We met Bernice Capers from Cruising Capers.
Yeah, in Celebration Key
She
today.
was at the food hall.
And I'm just sitting there. We're about to, check out, if you will, because it's free, but they still got to log it out. And we hear, Carnival Cruise Addicts. I turn around. Liz is like, oh my God.
Well, apparently she went live yesterday and Josie Ann was in there and is like, they're on the
I
ship,
think
I
they're
think. Yeah, so that was cool. That's just like random because, there's thousands of people and you just run into someone.
And she's on the boat.
And she's on our boat.
Yeah, we thought maybe she was on the Elation or something, but no, she's on the boat.
So I friended her on Facebook, so hopefully...
She gets internet. Because she asked how the internet was, because she said she was on the Elation recently and the internet was garbage.
Yeah, it's good here.
So she was hesitant in getting it, but on Venezia, it's pretty good.
It's one of the things that actually we need to write a note about because it's really
it's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Anyway.
Weird thing today with the internet, actually, since we're on the internet topic. It normally works if you buy the package here on land, on Celebration Key. We had to sign back in when we got there. Then we got back in the boat, we had to sign back in. Last time it just connected automatically, I think.
Maybe they've changed something.
I don't know.
But anyway.
Yeah, we're going to go, I don't know, it's 2
Meander.
o'clock. Yeah.
Maybe do some trivia. We'll check in with you later.
Take care, guys.
Bye.
Gonna be our gelato champion of the Carnival Venezia. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? All right, now we're gonna count down all together. All right, in 3, 2, 1, gelato! No hands, no hands. Hey, hey. Wait, cameraman, is it possible to zoom in a little bit? Is it? I want to zoom in on our friend's face right here, please. This one, number one. This one, can you look? All right, but right now, look at it. No hands and no ice cream left. Give it up for...
Oh, there you go. Come on. 2 more, come on. Ah. There you go. About 1,000. That's good. Oh, last game, 5 more.
That's a right
3 more.
time.
Yep.
That's a right time. Going 10,000, 10,000.
Come on.
Come on. Woo! Come on.
Come on, go get 2 more doors. Damn it.
Big. That's all
All right.
right. Yeah.